Understanding API tokens, a key to digital communication. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of technology and English language with a term you might have heard but not fully understood: API tokens. This is especially interesting if you're into the digital space or just curious about how online services communicate securely. So, let's unravel the mystery together. Before we talk about API tokens, we need to understand what an API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want, that's like sending a request. The waiter goes to the kitchen, that's the system processing your request, and brings back your food, that's the response from the API. In technical terms, an API lets different software applications talk to each other, exchanging data and functionality easily. Now, let's focus on API tokens. An API token is like a special key or password that allows you to access an API. It's a unique string of letters and numbers that identifies who is making the request. When you use an API, you often need this token to prove that you have permission. It's a way to ensure that not just anyone can use the API, only those with the correct token. Think of it like a ticket to an exclusive event: no ticket, no entry. Using an API token is a part of what's called authentication. When you make a request to an API, you include your token, and the API checks it like a bouncer at a club. If your token is valid, you're allowed in; if not, access is denied. This is crucial for security because it helps prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. Security is a huge aspect of API tokens. Just like you wouldn't give your house keys to a stranger, you shouldn't share your API tokens. If someone else gets your token, they could access the API as if they were you, which could lead to data breaches or other security issues. That's why it's vital to keep your tokens secret and safe. Let's look at a practical example. Say you're using a social media management tool that needs to access your Twitter account. You'd give the tool an API token. With this token, the tool can post tweets for you, retrieve your tweets, etc., without ever needing your Twitter password. This way, you're granting limited access to your Twitter account through a secure method. And there you have it. API tokens might seem complex at first, but they're an essential part of using online services securely and effectively. We hope this video has shed some light on what API tokens are and why they're so important. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, your online security is in your hands, so protect your tokens as you would your passwords. Until next time, happy learning!